Can I teach myself fashion designing? The short answer is yes, you can teach yourself designing online, but finding yourself and working with a great teacher and a great coach is so important. Working with a mentor, an instructor, one-on-one, either in person or using a platform like, say, for example, Zoom, right, is so valuable because a good instructor can look at your design and critique your work accordingly. A good, experienced mentor and instructor will be able to look at your designs and give you valuable feedback. And sometimes even a slight, subtle suggestion can take your design from good to great. My second suggestion is that you find an internship. An internship is where you get to work at a company. Sometimes it's for free, but it's worth it. See, there's nothing like working in the real world. There are situations that come up and circumstances that occur in real life that you can never learn in a classroom situation. Classroom is great for learning theory, but when it comes to practical experience, there's nothing like working in the real world. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.